Hi guys, it's me Imran Bhat working as vocational trainer at GHSS Handwara for the trade, travel and tourism. And along with me here is my friend, my colleague, namely Mohd Hussain, who is also working as a vocational trainer at BHSS Vilgam for the same trade, travel and tourism under Be Able Private Limited, which is a vocational training partner of JK Samagra, who helped me to prepare this presentation about COVID 19 awareness, the topic which we got from the Hair Authority. Before going ahead, before starting this presentation, we would like to thank our respected personalities like State Project Director Mr. J.K. Pada sir, State Coordinators of Able Mr. Muzaffar sir and Mr. Samir sir, Principal GHS Handwara Mr. Gulam Hassan Mir sir, Principal BHSS Vilgam Mr. Alamdin Chichi sir. These are the people, these are the personalities who always guided and encouraged us for the betterment of our career and students' career as well. We will never forget their contribution while guiding us for the betterment of the student. So our topic was, as I told you earlier, that was COVID-19 awareness. So before going through the other slides, my first slide is introduction to COVID-19. So COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan area of China in the month of December 2019. COVID-19 is now a pandemic affecting many countries globally. WHO declared the COVID-19 outbreak a public health emergency of international concern on 30th of January 2020 and a pandemic on 11th of March 2020. COVID-19 is a disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus. So COVID stands for CO stands for corona, VI stands for virus and D for disease. Formerly this disease was referred to as 2019 novel coronavirus disease. And my another slide is regarding the symptoms of COVID-19. So there are main 6 symptoms. The first one is fever, the second one is cough, and the third one is fatigue, and the fourth one is shortness of breath, and the fifth one is loss of smell, and sometimes no symptoms at all. Come to the another slide, which is the 6th slide in my presentation, that is risk factors. Risk factors of COVID-19. There are only 2 risk factors, one is travel and one is viral exposure. And the another slide which I have prepared, that is what are the preventive measures of COVID-19. The first preventive measure is washing of hands. Wash your hands with soap and running water when hands are visibly dirty. If your hands are not visibly dirty, frequently clean them by using alcohol based hand rub or soap and water, which is very important and the basic and the initial preventive measure of COVID-19. I'm sorry. And the second is social distancing. Maintenance of social distancing is the another preventive measure of COVID-19. At least we need to maintain 2 meters or 6 feet of distance from the other person. And the other preventive measure is wearing of masks. I'm sorry. Wearing of masks is very important preventive measure of COVID-19. And another one is stay at home and we can stop coronavirus. So if we don't have any emergency, no need to move outside from your homes. We need to stay at home so that we can secure ourselves from getting these kind of infections. And another slide which I have prepared, that is how can we protect ourselves and others if we don't know others are affecting. If we do know about others, the first thing and the most important thing is that practicing hand and respiratory hygiene is important at all times and is the best way to protect others and yourself. Second point, when possible, maintain at least a 1 meter distance between yourself and others. And another point is this is especially important if you are standing by someone who is coughing or sneezing, and we need to maintain a distance so that we can prevent ourselves. And everybody is looking and everybody is talking about the drugs. Is there a vaccine, drug or treatment for COVID-19? No. There are no medicines that have been shown to prevent or cure this disease. WHO, World Health Organization, does not recommend self-medication with any medicines, including antibiotics, as a prevention or cure for COVID-19. WHO declared, World Health Organization declared the COVID-19 outbreak a public health emergency of international concern on 30th of January 2020 and the pandemic on 11th of March 2020, as I told you in my first slide. WHO is coordinating efforts to develop vaccines and medicines to prevent and treat the COVID-19. Thanks a lot. This was all about my topic, COVID-19 awareness. To conclude the COVID-19 awareness, to conclude this topic, I would like to say that there are no medicines that have been shown to prevent or cure the disease. There are no medications recommended by the WHO till date. The important preventive measures we need to follow: washing, we need to wash our hands regularly. We need to wear our masks. If we are moving towards a public place, we need to maintain a social distance at least of 6 feet. These are the main preventive measures which we need to follow so that we can protect ourselves and we can protect others as well. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Have a good day.